All right, we're gonna try to take this thing off the trailer. So top link, this bushing's a little too wide, so I don't know. I'm gonna have to get a shorter bushing or a longer pin. But for now, I just put tape on the other side. These fit in pretty good. A lot of work, but not too bad. We're gonna see if we can try to get it off this trailer. The reason I want to get it off the trailer is just easier to work on. If it doesn't come off, I'll just have to start taking it apart while it's on there. It's gonna be kind of a pain, but as you can see, I don't have a front end loader, so I'm gonna make some ramp, put on a hill, and get kind of creative. But let's see what she does. This thing's been lifting pretty good. Like I said, my core aerator, with everything loaded on that was probably close to 600 pounds with 3 kids on it. But yeah, let's see what we can do. Come on, baby. All the way up, but hopefully I can pull the trailer down. All right, getting dark out here, but that was not fun. As you can see, it's heavier than I. All right, yeah, getting that off was actually more of a challenge than I expected. So my connections works great. Everything's sound. This is great. So as you see, it's folded up now. So when factoring how much a tractor can lift, it's not just the weight, but how it just takes off, and it comes with the leverage. It was way too much leverage, and even standing on there, it's still pop a wheelie, standing on the front. So, but once I had it folded, it was able to lift it barely. So I'm thinking this weighs about, even with this compact, closer to the machine, weight wise, I'm gonna say it's probably about 600 pounds, closer to. So now I'm gonna try to take this apart. Not real cool how to do that. Probably take this off, and then so what I want to do on the back end, just to make it a little bit easier to pick up and manage with the tractor, is to take one set off and just have these two. And then, as you can see, the front end needs a lot of work, but I'll work on the back end to make it lighter, a little bit more manageable first, and then I'll work on the front end. So I didn't have a big enough bolt to take off the this end bolt here, so I just took off the entire gangs. It was just 4 bolts right here. So I'll probably end up replacing this. What I think I'm going to do is put these in the front. These gangs are about 100 pounds each. I just weighed them, so 400 pounds. They call them gangs, groups of the discs. So 400 pounds just in gangs plus the weight of the actual frame. So yeah, well north of 600 pounds. No wonder the John Deere struggled on it. Yeah. But yeah, we'll keep on going. Let me get this pulled up here. A lot easier now. So yeah, busy disassembling this thing. Some of these bolts, you can see that it's completely rusted out. Some I had to cut using heat for some of them. Yeah, so fun with that. Most of these are shot, rusted through, so I'm going to find some for those. Hopefully the back gangs are still good. Those are still over there. But yep, disassembling, sanding, and getting everything cleaned up right now. So see how it goes.